Hi there, students. Knob with a K. A knob. Countable noun. Knobbly as an adjective, and I guess even knobbliness as the noun of the quality. Okay, the first thing I think of when I hear the word a knob is a doorknob. Is the round thing on a door that you twist to open it, or the knob on a drawer, the bit that you put your hand on to open it. It's a small round handle. You also have, for example, a knob on a radio. It's something that you twist, yeah? You turn the knob to increase the volume, or you twist the knob on your microwave or on a dimmer switch or something like that. Yeah? I pulled on the doorknob and it came off in my hand. Okay, so a knob, it's something round, knobbly, covered in knobs. Let's see, one thing this brings to mind is Butlins, which used to be, well, it still is, a holiday camp in the UK, but they are famous for their knobbly knees contest, and the person who has the most lumps on their knees, the lumpiest knees, wins. Okay, so knobbly knees. Okay, let's see. A knob of butter, a lump of butter. So they put a lump of parsley butter onto the top of his steak, a knob of butter. A knob of ginger. Yeah, well, ginger, if you look at ginger root, it's pretty knobbly. Yeah, it's got knobs or lumps all over it. I guess a knob of garlic as well, talking about a head of garlic or a clove of garlic. I think probably better for a clove of garlic. Okay, so a knob. The control switch that you turn, or something that comes out. Yeah, something that, a handle that you pull on. I guess in geography, yeah, a bump on a mountain ridge. There are various knobs along the ridge. Now, informally, you can use knob to actually mean the penis. The angle of the dangle is directly proportional to the throb in the knob. And then you can also use this, you can call somebody a knob, a contemptible person. He's a knob, forget him. Don't confuse this with NOB, knob, short for nobles or important people. Yeah, so all the knobs are going to be there, an informal word for important people. I like actually the origin of this. So knob, this comes from a nobleman, which comes from white knob, white head, like the knob that you hold. Talking to about the white wigs that posh people used to wear. Okay, so a doorknob. Yeah, the thing that you pull, you twist to open a door. The knob on a machine, something that you twist to turn up the volume, to turn up the intensity. The knob on a radio. And then knobbly, effectively covered in knobs. Yeah, having knobs all over it. Okay, so a knob, a lump. Yeah, so if something's knobbly, it's got lumps all over it. A knobbly piece of wood, a knobbly walking stick. It's not smooth. It's got yeah, a knob of ginger. Okay, so let's see, formality. A doorknob, 5 in formality. Twist the knob, 5 in formality. Your knob, 2.5 in formality. He's a knob, 3 in formality. Knobbly, 5 in formality, use anywhere. Remember the knobbly knees contest. Yeah, just a laugh. Also, don't confuse this with to nobble, N-O-B-B-L-E, to make somebody biased, to affect something illegally. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Knobbly.